morning, friends. My topic is it possible to do business in India without corruption? Friends, I don't think it's possible to do business without corruption. Corruption is like diabetes. It cannot be eradicated, it can only be controlled. If CG releases ₹1 for the poor, only 10 paisa reaches to the poorer people. Famous lines by our former Prime Minister Rajiv Gandhi stands true even today. What are we doing in these 65 years? Friends, now I've started thinking corruption is in our DNA. It's not new. It started post-independence in 1948 with the Jeep scams. But why talk about past? Let's talk about the present. Today in India, the biggest Indian company is RIL. Friends, can any one of you imagine Dhirubhai Ambani to build such a big empire without doing corruption? Without tax evasions? I don't think so. Taking the company, the hottest company today, Walmart. Walmart's entry in India. You will be shocked to know that the CFO and other officials of Walmart have been charged in the anti-bribery law in USA. That's a perfect example that an ethical company once enters into India has to do business with corruption. So that's a perfect example of RIL and Walmart. Now, talking of our profession, Chartered Accountancy course, we the CA students very well know that income is calculated after calculating the tax what the businessman wants to pay. What is this? In income tax department, the rates of everything are prefixed. There, it's not supposed to be an even. It's a norm. What is this? This is corruption in business in India. Friends, I'd like to end with a mind-boggling thought that as future chartered accountants, do you think that you will be able to do profession, you will be able to do business in 100% free corruption environment? No. The answer might be negative. But this is the truth, my friends. This is the truth. Now, speaking for the notion that I personally believe we can do business in India without corruption. Why not, my friends? Rather, today, ethics are more important than business objective. The perfect example is Mr. Ratan Tata. I don't say that it's easy to do business with ethics. It's a path less traveled by, but ultimately it's a sure shot success mantra. In the case of Ratan Tata, he has been awarded the Best Entrepreneur Award by Brand Equity TOI. Why? Is he minting more money than Ambani's? Friends, the answer is ethics, morals. 15 years back, he was asked to pay a bribe of meager amount of ₹15 crores for his dream project of aviation. But he refused it because he always stands that the morals are more important. This shows that how a person can do business with ethics and be very successful in life too. Generally, the tree of corruption is upside down. The top officials, if become clean, the whole management can become clean. So it's in our hand. If we want, we can do business without corruption. Rather, in the 7 social sins of Mahatma Gandhi, the main focus has been given to the sin, business without ethics. These days, wherever I go, the famous tagline is, "Achhe din aane wale hain." I ask, "Achhe din aane wale? Achhe din aa chuke hain." There are various moves being taken by the government in the anti-corruption area. Lokpal bill has been passed. Companies Act 2013, the main focus of which is on anti-corruption, has been passed, and the increasing e-governance. Again, the focus is on anti-corruption. So, achhe din aa chuke hain, my dost, achhe din aa chuke hain. Now, I'd like to end it with the J.K. Rowling quote. Okay, leave this. Now, coming on to the conclusion. Friends, talking about the whole corruption, I think the main root cause of corruption is greed. Greed is the main root cause. But I personally believe that if you ought to do it, you ought to do it and you have to enter into corruption in India. There are 2 options with us. The first is that we can stand and criticize a person who's accepting bribes, who's doing corruption. But friends, ultimately, he'll be the ruler. He'll be the king, and we'll have to respect him at last. But being an optimistic person, I definitely feel that it's not so hard to do business without ethics. We can still do business with ethics. And it's up to us that we want a good sleep, or we want to make more and more money and have sleepless nights. So like to end it with the quote, it's not about the ability, it's all about our choices. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat, thank you.